Muli, salamat po, Mr. President. I reiterate that I welcome all proposals that aim to ease the burden of rising fuel prices for every Filipino. However, when time is of the essence, more impactful and immediate solutions are needed, which is why I advocate for a supplemental budget that will, one, directly fund additional fuel subsidies and service contracting for our PUV drivers and other transport workers. Two, provide agricultural subsidies to assist farmers and fisher folk for rising fertilizer, fuel, and production costs. And third, support the repatriation and reintegration of our affected overseas Filipino workers who are most affected by the conflict in the Middle East. Maganda po ang panukalang suspendihin ang excise tax para pababain ang pasakit na kasalukuyang nararamdaman ng ating mga kababayan. Gayunpaman, kailangan pa rin ng sapat na safeguards para siguraduhin na tunay na kinakailangan ang suspension or reduction ng excise tax, which is why I will propose amendments at the proper time to the good sponsor. Mr. President, suspending taxes will not be enough. Ilang linggo bago natin mararamdaman ang epekto nito. Sabi nga kanina mula at least 2 hanggang 3 linggo. Kaya ang aking panawagan ay kailangan pa natin ipasa ang isang supplemental budget. Marami pong salamat muli, good sponsor, at maraming salamat po, Mr. President.